Here comes MARC. Straight 7700s as always. 4 of them. He's slowing for the terminal. We're here. This is MP36 number 27. Driving. 7719 is up front. 7702 is second. Now 27 in the 7700 stub pump. Turning 873. MP36 number 27. Next to last train, last coach is 7728. And bring up the rear is cab car 7759. Now 27 will make his way toward the tunnel as always. And I believe Amtrak will do the same. This ain't weird. Now 27 will continue to Brunswick, which is on the other end of that tunnel, and the same for Catoctin Tunnel. This is 2 miles really from mile and 3/4 from the west portal, but you got to call it 2 miles altogether. Exactly that.